To set up a Metamask wallet, start by going to the Metamask website and clicking on the download button. Choose the browser extension that is compatible with your browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. Once the download is complete, click on the Metamask icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a Wallet. You will be asked to create a password for your wallet. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password that you do not use for any other accounts. Next, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of 12 words that will be used to recover your wallet if you lose access to it. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. After setting up your password and seed phrase, you will be taken to the Metamask dashboard, where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and wallet address. To add funds to your wallet, click on the Add Funds button and select the cryptocurrency you want to add, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. You can then copy your wallet address and use it to receive cryptocurrency from an exchange or another wallet. It is also important to understand the different types of accounts in Metamask, including the main account and any additional accounts you may create. The main account is the default account that is created when you set up your wallet, and any additional accounts are useful for separating different types of assets or for using with different applications. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to keep your password and seed phrase safe, and never share them with anyone. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication and to regularly update your wallet software to protect against any potential vulnerabilities. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a secure and functional Metamask wallet and start using it to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and other cryptocurrency applications.